Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2015 Honda CRV. Stock number is 7223A. Now take notice of the exterior condition here on your virtual video walk around. Allows you to see this CRV up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. This does have the 2.4 liter 14 dual overhead cam, 16 valve. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You get it at one place. And one place only. We just do more here at Sunset Ford. Now let's take a look at the interior. Impeccable interior. No rips, no tears, no stains. This vehicle just has over 50,000 miles. You can see there is a moonroof. And you want all your controls at your fingertips. You're going to find that this vehicle, the CRV, is going to fit all those wants and needs. For more information on this vehicle or any others in our inventory, call, email us, or text us. We look forward to answering any questions you may have. Most of all, we look forward to meeting you and hopefully earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. This is Scott Danner saying make it a great day. Take care.